Hello all, this is Nigum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So one more mini Ratna is for you today. Just notification came about Numaligarh Refinery Limited, okay, NRL, for GET graduate engineer trainee, and salary will be 17.7 lakh CTC, which is very huge. Vacancies are total 61 vacancies. If you complete your BE BTech in computer science, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and control, chemical, metallurgy, then definitely you can apply. Now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start the video. So as always we see important points. So first is very important that you should have 65% aggregate in your BE BTech. Then only you can apply. Otherwise you can't apply to the post. Posting will be in Assam only. Exam centers all over India you will get. Process will be CBT, GT. Okay, that is a group task, and then interview. Weightage of CBT is your 85%. Group task weightage is 5%, and for interview it is 10%. And there is bond of 3 years, so total 3 years you need to spend in NRL, okay, and the amount is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, now we will see the vacancy wise breakdown. So first, for civil, total 6 vacancies are there. For mechanical 20, instrumentation 11 vacancies, so good number of vacancies for instrumentation guy. Electrical 8, chemical 10, and computer science total 5 vacancies are there, and metallurgy only 1 vacancy is there, okay, and you can see category wise here also. Cutoff date for your age calculation and your qualification is 1st of July, so definitely final year candidate cannot apply to the recruitment. General OBC EWS will fee 600 rupees. Okay, so correction is there. For general OBC and EWS 500 rupees is the fee, and for SC ST PWD 0 rupees. Age limit is 30 years for general, OBC 33, SSC 35. Form will start tomorrow, okay, then definitely after starting you will get the form video. It will end on 13th of August, and exam date they will announce later. Now very important, that exam pattern for GET. So reasoning, general English, general awareness and numerical ability in non-technical section, and technical section is there, okay. About total marks, duration, everything they will later they will tell you, and the negative marking is 0. Paper language will be in English only, there is no sectional cutoff, and total out of total marks 80% weightage is for technical and 20% weightage is for non-technical portion, okay. This is the very important thing. So in this paper little bit our strategy will be different, and definitely all the things we will discuss in our strategy video, so just wait for it. Tomorrow form video will be there, and then after that you will get the strategy video. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the recruitment, definitely comment down below. If you want to ask me anything, okay, you can DM me on Instagram, and compulsory follow on that. Have any query, comment down below. All the best.